Listen to me. I know this is a pain. I am well aware that this is not super entertaining, but it's not that bad. Okay, you have to hang with me on this one. This does pop up a lot on the SAT and sometimes on the ACT. There's a simple little trig thing here. There's not a lot of trig on the SAT, so just don't freak out, all right? Hang with me. I'll show you how to get these done. Okay, so the first thing you have to realize is there's not much trigonometry on the SAT or the ACT. And these types of questions, they're not really drawing on a lot of stuff. What you need to know, okay, is that if you have the cosine B equaling sine A, okay, as it says right here, that means A plus B equal 90. That's the whole nature of these questions, okay? So if I have a triangle here, it works out like this. If this is A and this is B, A plus B plus 90 have to equal 180, right? That's just the way it works. You understand that. That's not a huge deal. That's 180 degrees in a triangle. But look, you gotta check this out. If this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, the sine of A will equal 3/5. And the cosine of B will also equal 3/5. Okay, because again, sine A is going to be 3/5, cosine B will equal 3/5. So they're going to equal the same thing as far as sine and cosine. What that means is that, again, A plus B equal 90 because there's complementary angles in the same triangle. That's the nature of it. So you see a lot of these questions that say cosine A equals sine B or something like that. You don't have to worry. All you have to do is recognize that, A plus B equal 90. That's what we're going for. So in this case, we have our two images, right? We have A and we have B. We don't know what they equal. Okay, we know cosine B equals sine A. That's fine. And then it says, okay, A equals 4x plus 45 and B equals 3x minus 25. What is the value of x? All right, well, all I do is say, all right, well, look, if I know A plus B equals 90, well, then I know that 4x plus 45 plus 3x minus 25 equal 90 as well, because this is A and this is B. Okay, so all I do is combine like terms. It's beautiful. So my 4x and my 3x go together. That's 7x. And then this 45 and this 25 go together, right? So that's going to be 20 equal 90. I subtract 20 from both sides and I get 7x equals 90, or excuse me, 70. So x equals 10. That's it. That's all I have to do. Because again, if sine A equals cosine B or vice versa, however you want to mix it up, they equal 90. Okay, they add up to 90. That's a sum. So that's how you work these out. Boom, here we go. So again, straightforward. Let's go cosine A equals the sine B, not a big deal. Okay, and now we have A equals 5x plus 30 and B equals x minus 20. Fine. What's the value of x? Same thing as before. I know because of this, A plus B equals 90, which means I'm going to have my 5x plus 30 plus x minus 20 equals 90. And now I combine like terms, right? So I have 6x plus 10 equals 90. I subtract. So it's going to be 6x equals 80. X equals 80 over 6, which is what? What is that? 13.334. God bless it. Look at that. It's no big deal. It's no big deal. That's what my x is going to equal. Because again, all I have to do is add those up, set them equal to 90, and call it a day, baby. It's beautiful. So again, all you have to worry about, if you get sine A equals cosine B or cosine A equals sine B, remember that add up to 90. A plus B equals 90. These will pop up on the test. There's a slight revision that you have to worry about, but I want you to pay attention to this. Boom, son!